Hi.
Hello.
Hi, Arushi. This is Pratik.
Hi, Pratik. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you for asking. How are you?
I'm good. I'm great.
So, what do you do?
I'm working professional. I do work with an MNC
Okay.
and today is my week off. That is the
Wonderful.
reason I'm having session in the morning.
It's an absolute pleasure to meet you, Arushi. And I
Same here. Same
and I
here.
look and I look
Actually, Mhm.
and I look forward to having a joyful conversation with you.
Same here. I am also very excited because this is my first session with you and I have taken multiple sessions with many tutors at
Yes.
Clapingo.
Yes. Glad to meet you. And
Same,
tell me
same.
something, Arushi. Are you aware of today's topic of a discussion?
Yes, it is about miracles, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
So, so isn't it an interesting topic?
Yeah, maybe, but I
Is it?
don't believe in it at all. So I am not sure how am I gonna continue with the conversation or how am I gonna prove my point. But let's see.
So, do you want to talk about something else?
No, it's just fine. I would like to hear from you, like what you think about miracles. If
Yeah.
I don't believe, what about you? Do you?
So I want to first hear your views because then you
Okay.
get a talking practice. So then I could. So
Yeah.
tell me something. If I find you making any mistakes, can I correct your mistakes while you speak?
Yeah, anytime. You can just stop me and correct me. It's fine for me.
Absolutely. Just one point I mentioned that the pronunciation of miracles is like miracles. Okay,
Miracles.
miracles. Okay,
Okay. Mhm.
okay. So that's it. So you got it right. So
Yeah.
absolutely. Now you're right. So miracles. Okay.
Miracles. Okay.
Okay. So tell me something. Have you heard of any story or experience of any miracle?
I have heard of many stories like people say that
Hmm.
miracle happen in my life due to this or that. Sometimes they mention a person, but I think no, it is not correct. Everything happens in your life is just because of you.
Yes.
Sometimes the results are unexpected, and I think
Okay.
more than that. So
Okay.
it should be like uh, surprising for
Hmm.
the people who
Okay.
are like I am hard working a lot, but I am not
Yes.
getting the expected results. On
Right.
the other hand, one person has just given his like 50% or 80%, still he has got uh, more than his expectations. Maybe that is they call miracle, but
Okay.
I don't think so that is miracle. It is
Okay.
sometimes um, just a minute.
Yes.
Hello, yeah, sorry.
Sure. No problem. I think you're expressing your thoughts very well. I can
Th-
understand each and everything that you're saying. You're expressing your thought. You have a good way of expressing yourself. I appreciate that. So please carry on.
Thank you. Thank
Please
you.
carry on.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like, there is nothing like miracles. It
Uh,
can be a coincidence,
yes.
but miracle, no.
Okay.
I don't think so. What do you think?
I think I believe in the universe. Okay, the power of the universe. Certain there is some power which helps us to achieve our goals. So if we are focused on our goals, definitely we can create our own miracles. I feel that. You know, if you are really focused on your goals and if you really work hard, then the power of the universe will also support you in achieving your goals. So one
Yeah,
needs to
but
be
the main
focused.
role is your only,
Yes,
right?
yes,
You do
exactly.
this.
Yes, yes. So you have to do it, and you will do it, and then the universe will support you. Like certain things will happen in your universe which will help you to achieve your goals. So
Okay.
basically, I believe that we create our own luck. We create our own good fortune by our
Mhm.
own karma. I believe in karma. So what?
Absolutely.
So whatever we do through our words, thoughts, and actions, we get the effects accordingly. So that is
Perfect.
what I
Yeah,
believe. I
okay.
believe in karma. And if our karma is very good and if something miraculous happens, then why not? I'll accept it gracefully.
Yeah, like what, why not? If something great happening with you,
Yes.
I think you should accept bad, but you should not be like it is happened because of this. Instead
Yeah.
of giving credit to someone, I think you should believe in your
Motivate
hard work. You
to,
should
yes,
believe in
yes,
yourself.
yes.
Like
Because
I
you are,
did this.
yes, that's the right attitude. You also have that thought process. I
Of
appreciate that.
course, like yeah,
Yes, yes. We are responsible for whatever whatever is happening in our life. Like it's our karma. So we can't blame it on anybody else. We can't give credit to anybody else also. It's solely because our responsibility is our responsibility, whatever is happening in our life. So
absolutely, yes. I have
absolutely.
a question.
Yes,
Like
please.
miracle is for good things only, like you're getting good results only, which you haven't expected. That is miracle. But what if something worst happened? That is
Yeah.
also unexpected, but it
Yes.
is not good. So
Yes.
can we say that a miracle?
No, that's not a miracle. That's a tragedy. That's a
Miracle.
tragedy. That's a tragedy. That's a
Okay.
tragedy. So
Okay.
miracle,
Miracle comes with the good things only.
good thing. Say suppose someone, say was involved in a car accident, and
Mhm.
he or she escaped unharmed.
Mhm.
So that is a miracle. So
That is
it's a
miracle.
miracle. Yeah. So you got the pronunciation right also. So far, you are
Yeah.
too clever. So, so that's a miracle. So it is always associated with something good. Miracle. Okay. And anything bad will be tragic. Something very tragic. So if someone has a miraculous escape, then it is a miracle.
Okay.
Okay. So that is the association with miracle. So tell me
I
something.
think.
Yeah, tell
Mhm.
me. Tell
I
me.
think in the case of accident, we should believe in miracle.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. That is a miracle. That is for me. It is some power of the universe, some power of the universe which has saved us, which has saved anybody who has undergone
Yeah,
that, who has gone
anyone.
through that accident. So yeah, that there I think there is some power in the universe, some grace of God, some power in the universe which is protecting us.
Some
But
great karma of that particular
great, yeah,
person.
exactly, exactly. Great karma of that person. Yeah, maybe that person has done something really good in his life, in his or her life, because of which he experienced that miracle. So
Exactly.
it all boils down to our karma, you know, whatever we have
Yeah.
done in our life. So tell me, did you face any miraculous situation?
Maybe like I might have, but since I don't believe in it, I didn't accept it, and now
Okay,
I cannot like explain what was that. But
okay,
I might have, but I don't think that was a miracle. That was
okay,
something I unexpected, and it happened with me, so I'm happy. But
okay.
again, I feel that that was a like a result of my
Hard work,
continuous, yeah, hard work or anything.
yeah, karma
It's up to
also.
you.
Yes,
Yeah,
how
whether
you,
you call it a result of your hard work, a result of your karma, or miracle. It's up to you.
exactly,
But
exactly.
in my case, I will not accept it as a miracle.
Okay, can you please
If it
describe the?
is not related to like, if it is not as big as that accident example, until
Okay,
that, I think I will not
yes,
accept miracle.
I appreciate your thought process because everything boils down to karma. Even we caught a link between karma and our miracles. We
Miracles,
established a link.
yes,
So that
yes.
is good. I appreciate your thoughts. But tell me something. Can you please describe that unexpected result that you got? Can you please describe that for me?
Mm, I don't have any example in my mind right now,
Okay.
but
Okay.
it is not related to me. It is related to like one of my
Okay.
close friends.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Something was like she was planning to get married. I think
Okay. Okay.
that was from a long time she has been planning, and things were not falling for her like
Mm-hmm.
in a way she wanted, but
Uh-huh.
like things were messed up till the last date, and
Okay.
we all were like, no, it is not going to happen, it is not going to happen. But
Okay.
on the day it happened, they got married. So that
Okay.
was a very big thing for me because that was something we lost. We all lost hopes when that happened.
Yes.
So I can say that was a like miracle or a miracle or a good karma or a
Yes.
good karma of her, like whatever
Yes.
she has done. And anyway, she's a very good person. So I think it's a
Yes.
combination of both the things.
Yes. So if you're a good person, then good things will happen in your life. है ना? This is what I believe in, right?
Yeah, maybe not very soon, but some
Sometimes.
or the other day it will happen with you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It can happen after 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. After
yeah.
even it could happen even after 10 years.
You
But it
just
will
need to be
happen.
patient.
You need to be patient. Exactly. Patience is a virtue. Patience is a virtue. Very well
Yeah.
said. Very well said. And so what is it that would make you happy later on in life? Like what makes you really happy in life? Everyone wants to be
What
happy. Yeah. So what makes you really happy in life?
Okay, what makes me really happy is I don't know whether it will make sense to everyone or not, but if I am adding a little value in others' life, like in any way, that makes me really happy. Like I am running a YouTube channel, it's been a year, and when I get a comments from my subscribers and my viewers, that makes me really happy. That just makes my day. And I think, yeah, these are the things that gives me happiness other than the personal stuff. That is a different thing. But if I'm adding a 1% value in someone's life, like through my thoughts or through my videos or anything, I feel it's a great thing for me.
Wonderful, wonderful. I wish you all the very best on your YouTube
Thanks.
channel. May it keep giving you a lot of happiness. And
Yes, yeah.
I mean, great that you're adding value to other people's lives. That's very nice. That's very
Yeah.
nice. So tell me something. Apart from a YouTube, what else makes you happy in your personal life?
I like traveling, so I think going out for some time, like small breaks with
Yes.
nature makes me happy.
Yes.
I
Yes.
don't like to go on fancy like
Yes.
vacations. I don't like to go on a pub all the time, restaurants, trying new restaurants. I think that is fine, but um that
Yes.
not make me happy. That not make me happy is
That
fine.
does not make me happy.
Yeah,
That
that does
does not
not make me as
happy.
happy as small vacations does,
Yeah, as small
right?
vacations does. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I
Okay.
think, yeah, taking small breaks,
Yeah, you like taking small break, as
small breaks.
small vacations do. As small
Hmm.
vacations do. Since
Okay.
vacations is plural, so do. Okay. If one vacation does. Okay.
Yeah, right.
So
Small
that is
vacations too.
that. Yeah. Wonderful. And so yeah, you have improved a lot, I think. Don't you think?
Yeah, because I am working on it like
Yes.
continuously. I really wanted to improve, and I still want to improve a lot.
Yes.
Maybe
So
yes, I
yes.
did a little bit, and I want to do more.
The video is about to get disconnected. Before that, I want to say it was an absolute pleasure to talk to you, and I would love to talk to you again. You just need to,
Same here.
thank you so much. You just need to work on your tenses a bit and the singular and plural form. That's it. And that will go away with adequate practice. Okay. And it
Perfect.
will be
Yeah.
great for me. It will give me a lot of satisfaction to help you improve as it
Yeah.
did
Yeah.
today.
Yeah.
As it did today.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And the
Yes.
pronunciation, you got it. So you corrected it yourself. So it's
Yeah.
fine.
Miracle.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes.
Look forward to talking to you again. Okay, Arushi.
Thank you so much. Thank you. It was
My
nice talking
pleasure.
to you.
Thank you so
Thank
much. You
you.
take care. Have a beautiful
Yeah.
Sunday.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Take care.